this puppy. We'll install this gate in this little area here. Having trouble with delivery drivers coming in the garden. Got to put the timbers on the sides. Right here. Right here. Hinges on the door. Latch on the door. Secured the two bits of timbers in place either side of the pathway when I want the gate. Now it's just a case of putting the hinges on the door. I was toying with the idea which way to open it, but I think I'm going to hinge this side so the door opens. It's a tight path. I think it's better than opening it up and walking straight in to the downpipe. That's my take on it anyway. Hinges on. Works out fine. That wall's a bit pissed, to be fair. Can't do nothing about that little gap there, but you have a little latch at the back. Unless I pack it out and then run a massive joint down there, which they don't want. So, see. Halfway through, got two of the hinges on, down there, another one on in a minute, put a latch on there, jobs are good, bang bang bang, latch on, jobs are good, bosh.